There's a lot of ponies in here. Oh, there. And here's another one. Ito. Ito na lang, guys. So, we're gonna eat dinner. Salt and pepper with my favorite ranch there. Is this really the regular ramen? So small. So we're on the hunt for chobani na mukhang wala. This is a fail. Because they only have Nestle. So I'm gonna try eating this na lang. Oaties, apple and cinnamon flavor, then Greek style yogurt. Favorite ko yung vanilla na variant na to, but wala siya. We're here at Center Gauge. So I'm here at Center Cage to try pickleball for the first time. So they have a nice restroom. Look on. I think they're sponsored by Pond's and Vaseline. So they have sunscreen here and lotion. It was such a fun experience, guys. Belgian waffle ng SP with strawberry topping. Ay, wait lang, sige. For tummy.
Kapal ako lang. Ay, kagabi? Paano nalaman? Sa story niya. Ah, okay. Hindi kasi ako nakikita.
Kami sa Conrad.
Alpi. Sitting on the shelves. Ang daming stock.
Hindi. Hi. Ito kami sa Conrad. Going up. Alfie. Going up.
Say hi! Chicken, fish with tofu, garlic spinach.
Normalize yung sugar.
Yes.
Pag ganun mo.
Sheesh.
Sheesh. Guys,
Fall guys. Polo, brief,
na
and
ako.
boxers.
Pabili na ako ng polo. Hindi na ako maglalaban-laban ulit. Kasi yung mga polo ko, ano, puro haggard na tingnan.
Haggard. Try on.
Ganda.
If you like it lengthwise, I just bought a blush. Ito, yung blush on ko. Nagsira yung... Nabili niya na guys.
Hi.
Say hi! So we're here at GVN sale. I got this now. A mini eggshell bag.
Sold.
We're on our way back to Rockland. Then, we got our goods. I got a mini bag in eggshell. And nag-buy din ako nitong mirror na red. And I bought a suede na, I don't know the shade of this, pero large siya. And she got yung small na green.
And
this
this
Ito,
one's the shade. That's sage.
Sage
Ito
na
talaga
bagat.
yung prayo ko, guys. So,
She pulled her prayo. Of course, we had to get ramen. And for dessert, we got burrata gelato at Amano. Taste test. Rate.
10 out of 10. And then 9 kasi it's too sweet.
Ikaw. Rate nga eh.
Speechless.
There's Jellycat here. Pero, eto. Also, Sylvanian families. I want Sylvanian families. Pero look at this. It's not Jellycat. 350 lang siya. Pero ang cute. I love this Barbie. Found the Chobani. We have triple chocolate brownies, strawberry shortcake, and cookies and cream.
Ito daw yung masarap.
Ito daw masarap eh. Oh. Food is here. Wow. Xiaolong bao. And soup. Di pa dumadating yung salted egg shrimp. Xiaolong bao. Salted egg shrimp. Mura lang to guys. It's like 160. 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pieces. 200 plus pala.